Is EFootball telling you your device isn't compatible? Let's get you back on the pitch in under 2 minutes. First things first. Let's tackle compatibility hidden. The most common culprit is your device's specifications. You'll want to visit the official EFootball website or the game's store page and find the minimum and recommended system requirements. Compare these with your device's internal specs, things like your processor, RAM, and operating system version. Next, ensure your device is running the latest software. Go into your phone settings, look for System Update or Software Update, and install any available updates. Outdated operating systems can often cause compatibility problems with newer apps. Sometimes, a simple cache clear can work wonders. Head to your phone settings, find Apps or Application Manager, locate EFootball, and then tap on Storage. From there, select Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing a conflict. If you're still facing issues, it might be time to dial down the graphics. Open EFootball and navigate to the game settings or options menu. Look for graphics or display settings and try lowering the resolution, frame rate, or disabling specific graphical features like anti-aliasing. This can significantly reduce the strain on your device and improve compatibility. By checking your device's power, updating your software, clearing out the clutter, and adjusting those graphics, you should be well on your way to enjoying EFootball without those frustrating compatibility errors. Get out there and score some goals.